Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your phone is not starting. So problem number one is probably your battery is just off and you need to charge it. So just plug in that charger right now into your phone. Maybe it has something to do with the software. You're going to want to do this trick that I learned. So you can't turn the power on. You're going to select the volume up, volume down, and you're going to select the power button as hard as you can for like a very long time, and it's going to turn on. As you can see, if you can't like do the like normal power on button, which are these two ones. So again, volume up once, volume down once, and select just this for like a really long time until your phone starts. And that's pretty much how you can do it. If other issues like come up, maybe your phone took in a lot of water, that's why it can't turn on, put it in rice. It actually kind of works, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!